What if I told you that this thing that is quietly stealing years from your life is not your genetics, is not your food, it's not even the sleep. It is something that's happening inside your cells as you watch this. It's called chronic stress. See, science now have confirmed that the yogis always knew. Chronic stress shortens your telomere, and telomere is your age, the protective caps on your DNA. And the research shows that highly stressed people who have chronic stress, that their cells are a decade older than they should be. So let's talk about how this stress comes in your body. When you're not being yourself, when you're not following your design. For example, if you hate your job, minus 15 years. And if you're staying in a relationship out of fear, compromising, minus 10 years. And if you surround yourself with people that drain your energy, you can subtract 8 years. Each day, when you're in a toxic environment, when you're not being yourself, you accelerate your age. But here's what nobody talks about. Chronic stress does not come from being busy, but it comes from being misaligned. When your mind, your body, and what you do is not aligned, then that causes chronic stress. It's from living a life that isn't yours. In yogic tradition, we call this an imbalance in your throat chakra, Vishuddha. That's the energy center of your truth. Speaking your truth, your alignment, living in true alignment of who you really are. And when throat chakra is blocked, when the energy cannot move through the throat chakra, the breath gets disturbed. That your breath becomes shallow, tight, and chest driven. But see, if we can just slow down and bring the breath all the way into the belly. Today, this morning's breath work is designed to disrupt this habit of stress, of chronic stress. Remember, the breath is your bridge to yourself, to your true self. It's one thing you can directly control consciously that you can regulate your nervous system with. Today, our promise is to shift you from your fight and flight response into your rest and digest system. This breathwork routine was created by the School of Breath app as a daily ritual. Each day, the app generates a new, balanced practice for you. You can download the School of Breath app on the App Store or Google Play. So today we begin with Breath of Fire, 24 cycles of rapid breathing, exhaling. Then we move on to Diaphragmatic Breathing, 6, 3, 9 exhales. Bring the breath all the way into the belly, fill up the chest, hold for 3, exhale 9. And then we move into alternate nostril breathing and add Kumbhaka and make it Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, energy purifying breath. Then humming bee breath, we hum with exhale for 6 cycles. And eventually we close with stillness, 3 chants of Om sound. This is not just breathing exercise. This is training your nervous system how to deal with stress and how to let it go. And every time you do this, you're building your capacity to meet stress and let it go. Now we start with the breath of fire. Inhale fully, exhale fully. Inhale halfway. Exhale fully, holding the breath out 15 seconds. Inhale fully, holding the breath in 30 seconds, engaging your root chakra. Beautiful. Exhale. Inhale normally. Sit in meditation. Allow yourself to now transition to your parasympathetic nervous system. Beautiful job. Now we transition to diaphragmatic breathing. In diaphragmatic breathing, bring your right palm on your belly. Inhale 6. Bring the breath all the way into the belly. Fill up your chest all the way to the shoulders. Hold for 3. Beautiful. Exhale 9. Very slowly start to rest your shoulders. Relax the shoulders and pull the belly in. Inhale 6. Hold 3. Exhale 9. 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 One last one. Very slowly inhale 6. Holding for 3. And allow the breath to come out. Exhale normally. Inhale normally and sit in meditation. Watch your energy. Watch yourself stepping into your parasympathetic nervous system. Rest and digest. Amazing. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends. Now we strengthen our masculine as well as our feminine and balance it with alternate nostril breathing. Coming into Vishnu Mudra. Cover the right nostril. Inhale left 6. Hold 3. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 3. Exhale left 6. Inhale left 6. Hold 6. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 6. Exhale left 6. 2 more times. Inhale left 6. Hold 9. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 9. Exhale left 6. One last one. Beautiful. Inhale left 6. Hold 12. Focus on the third eye. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 12. Exhale left 6. Very slowly allow the breath to come out in normally. From here we go straight into Bhramari Pranayama, humming bee breath. Coming into 7 doors closing mudra. Inhale fully, and on exhale we create a smooth humming sound in your hypothalamus and your throat chakra area. Inhale fully. Beautiful. Just observe the vibrations from throat to the crown in 30 seconds meditation. Beautiful. Now we seal this practice with 3 chants of Om. Om is an instrument to bring your energy and give it direction upwards. So A sound, you feel it on your solar plexus. U sound, throat chakra. Sound all the way up towards the third eye. So as you chant Om, you're bringing your energy, your attention from the lower chakras to higher. So coming into Namaste, inhale fully. Slowly start to open your eyes. Amazing, my friends. Now you continue this practice for the next 30 days. As you continue this practice, your nervous system becomes more capable of addressing your stress, of dealing with your stress. See, stress, when it comes for short times, it's good for you. Just like we go in the gym and we stress our body so we can build our body. Same way, we can take stress in a right, correct perspective. But if you get into a habit of taking stress, chronic stress all the time, thinking about something all the time, that's what we get to disrupt with this practice today. If this session helped you, if something shifted in you even slightly, I want you to know that this shift, this energy shift is real. That is your nervous system remembering what it feels like to be at rest. And more you practice this breath work, more it becomes your baseline. And if you like the animation, if you want to practice this, you can always go to the School of Breath app and hit today's ritual, and it'll present the whole session for you. And of course, you can download the School of Breath app from the Google Store or iOS. Before you go, take this journey deeper. Download the free Prana Activation eBook and guided pranayama meditations. The link is in the description below. If this session helped you feel calmer and more connected, you'll love the holistic membership. It gives you complete access to our 9-week Prana series and all 9-day breathwork and meditation courses from the School of Breath. You can also watch everything anytime on the School of Breath app, available on Apple and Google Play. Let's take the next breath of our evolution together. Join the membership and start your prana journey today.